but I guess the bottom part, I guess what do I guess? Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And on today's video I'm gonna attempting to install vinyl decal on my truck myself using the wet method. I have never done it, so let's see how horribly I'm gonna fail or if it's gonna work out or not. So this is the decal I picked up. I'm pretty sure you guys seen this type of decals with mountains and trees. I picked up from Etsy.com, but I'm gonna leave links in the description. And it even comes with a blade and a squeegee and a manual how to do this. But I've been suggested by a few people to just take it to a shop and let the professional do it, but I want to try it myself. I want to see how hard it is to do or not. So let's try to do it. So first of all, we have to make sure that the window is clean. So let's clean it really good. Make sure there is no dust, dirt, or any oil or anything. So let's clean it up really good. Now it's all clean. Just gonna wipe it down with a microfiber towel just to keep it dry for now. Check one more time, make sure there is no debris, no dirt or anything left over. And another thing, it's recommended to do the installation when the surface is cool. You don't want to do it in the direct sunlight. So now with this side we're gonna place it on the window where it's gonna go and just try to position even if that is even possible. I'm gonna try to do my best. So with the masking tape, just gonna secure it at two corners so I can move it around, something like that. So our goal is to try to make the mountain, the peak of the mountain, in the middle of the window, and of course it has to be straight. So now it's just a matter of playing around with it, trying to make it straight and trying to make it even. Okay, so I think I sort of evened this out the way it's gonna be on the window. I know it's not gonna be perfect, but it's alright, I guess. So now what I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna put a strip of painter's tape all the way across over here so I can secure the half of it, just like that. Okay. So now I can peel this side off and start applying it to the window, and then I'm gonna apply this side. And it somewhat looks straight. I think it looks straight, more or less. Also guys, if you really want to see if it's even straight or not, you can always use a level and just put a level there and it's somewhat straight. So now with just a soapy water, with just water with a dish wash, I'm gonna peel this one side off, just like that. Let's peel this portion off carefully. And let's spray the window with soapy water. All right. So now we're gonna peel off this part. Just gotta make sure that everything stays on the translucent part. And let's just keep spraying the soapy water. It's not gonna hurt anybody to make it soapy. But I'm a little bit starting to doubt my methods. And it's already fallen from where it's supposed to be. And now I have to work kind of quick because, as you can see, we can still move it around. As you move, just apply more soapy water so we can position it where we need it to be somewhat straight, somewhat even. I mean, it's probably not gonna be perfect like anything else I do, probably, but I'll do my best. So now with a squeegee, let's take all the water bubbles out. Gonna work it up and down. So now we need to carefully peel off that transparent tape and hope that it still sticks to the window. Which I kinda doubting. Doesn't really stick, guys. I know what I'm doing sometimes. Doesn't stick. Well guys, unfortunately it didn't work. I must have messed up some step or something, but as you can see it didn't work. So I wasted the whole side sticker. It's alright, I guess. Lesson learned that I'm not good at it. So I'm gonna place another order, and I'm probably most likely gonna take it to one of my friends. He does vinyl wrapping and window tinting, so maybe he'll show me how to do it or something. And yeah, so I'm not always successful, guys.
Much later.
Alright guys, so I got another sticker and I actually decided to try it one more time, but this time to do it dry installation. So as you can see, I already put it up over here. So now I'm gonna try to peel the half off of it, put it on, and then the other half, and let's see what happens. Okay, now sometimes I wish I had a second set of hands to cut this part off, but it's alright. So now with a squeegee, I'm gonna try to do my best to not mess it up. Okay, now I'm gonna do the second half. Once again, gonna peel this all off. Alright, the second part is out. So now let's see if I can do this side. Now I'm gonna try to cut off all the extra excess. Let's try to peel the excess off. Squeegee gonna work the ends again. And now I'm gonna try to peel off this transparent tape, and hopefully it's gonna stick there, and hopefully it's gonna be somewhat okay. Now if I can only find the end where to peel it off from carefully, that would be perfect. Alright, and it's off. Unfortunately I have a lot of bubbles in there, but maybe they will come out eventually. Maybe with the sun and stuff it will come out, but at least it's on. So now I'm gonna do the other side.
A few moments later.
And the driver's side is on. Unfortunately it didn't come out any better. I still have some little bubbles, even though I was trying to go very slow and push it with a squeegee. But I guess if you want a really clean and nice look, maybe it's better to take it to professional. I tried to call a couple of places where they do window tinting and stuff like that, but unfortunately they just refused me to do it. They said they don't do it, so I had no choice and I decided to do it myself. I mean, it's not the worst, but it's not the best either. Alright guys, the decals are on. They didn't come out perfect, but what can I do? Maybe at least you can learn something from my mistake, not to do it the way I did it. I will wait a few days. If the air doesn't disappear from there on its own magically because of the heat, maybe I'll take a small needle and just poke the holes to release the air. I don't know. But on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you might find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.